Welcome to another help video from Stairplan. This one is for a Flatpack single turn winder staircase. So if the staircase is ordered Flatpack, this is how it'll come. First thing to do is to pair the strings up so you've got the right string next to the other one for going together. They also need to be put in line correctly. If you get the top and bottom tread sections, those can go in place. Then we can start by putting in the other treads. We need to glue the housings in the strings ready for receiving the treads and the risers. If you can put a winder tread in that isn't going to affect the newel post, you can do that at this stage also. We have a simple tread block underneath the winder tread to screw to the string to make sure everything is in tight. Risers go in next. We need to make sure that the groove on the underside of the tread is glued ready. And then when they're in place, lean them forward so you can glue between the back of the tread and the riser. Once everything's square, ready, we can glue and knock in the riser wedges. Following the riser wedges, we go to tread wedges. Again, they need to be glued, so the glue between the tread and the wedge, as well as the glue in the housings. The short wedge there is for where we have a newel post at the top. When you knock that wedge in, you make sure that it doesn't get in the way of where the newel post is going to go. You can see they're past the shoulder on the tenon. Following that, we're going to screw the back of the tread and riser together. It's best to pre-drill the treads for this, especially when you're using MDF. Once those are all screwed in, then we have the glue blocks that go in place. Plenty of glue on these, and then they need to be rubbed in and ideally pinned to the underside of the tread, but make sure that that fixing doesn't come all the way through the tread. That would be one section complete. Now we need to repeat that with the other section of the stair. It's really important that things are in line and square. Again, you can see that we've got a tread with a notch out at the bottom there. That's for the newel post. If the treads have notches, it's important that they're put in the right place. Again, we can put another winder tread in if it's not affected by the newel post. Always best to do some dry fit in first so you understand the process that you're going to put your stair together, because they're always made to measure. Glue the groove again, and then the risers can go into place. Lean them forward and glue between the back of the tread and the riser. Then you can glue the wedges and knock those in. Don't over tighten wedges. They do need to be firm. Tread wedges are next. Again, you'll have a shorter wedge where there's a newel post. You just knock these till they're tight without having to really go hard at the staircase. Again, watching out for that newel post and the wedge. Pre-drilling the back of the tread for the screws will eliminate any risk of the tread splitting. This is common with MDF, so it's very important that you just pre-drill that with a fine drill to suit the screw size. Having the glue blocks is required. Plenty of glue, push in and rub into place, then pin that to the tread to stop it moving. The staircase is now at the same stage as it would come if it comes part assembled. We'd always recommend that staircases are assembled and installed by experienced carpenters and joiners. For any help, you can give us a call on 01952 608 853 or ask for our approved installers' contact details. Visit the website stairplan.com.